Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga video na i-upload ko sa aming YouTube channel. Kung kayo po ay taga Nasugbu, Batangas, ang videong ito ay para po sa inyo. Kung kayo po ay may edad na, nasa tamang gulang, at nais ninyong makapag-aral ngunit walang budget, halina't alamin kung paano tayo makakapag-enroll sa libreng scholarship na ito ng TESDA. Kaya't patapusin lamang ang video na ito at please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe! Isang magandang balita sapagkat ang Piso Nasugbu ay magkakaroon ng TESDA Scholarship. Ito ay joint project ng League of Municipalities in the Philippines, LMP Batangas at FPJ Panday Bayanihan. Ang scholarship na ito ay posibleng mag-under sa TESDA Training for Work Scholarship Program, TWSP, na may mga libreng training, assessment at allowance. Ito po ang scholarship benefit na maaari ninyong ma-avail kung kayo po ay nakapagpa-enroll sa programang ito. Una ay meron po kayong free training, free assessment, 160 per day training support fund, 500 pesos PPE allowance, 500 pesos uniform allowance, at GSIS insurance. Narito naman ang mga posibleng libreng TESDA courses na pwede ninyong pag-enrollan at pag-aralan through community-based training or institution-based training o actual training. Mga possible for mobile or online training, contact center service NC2, 18 days, contact tracing level 2, 15 days, Italian language and culture, 13 days, at Korean language and culture, 13 days. Ito naman po ang courses na para po sa actual training for institution school-based only, computer system servicing NC2 35 days, agro-entrepreneurship NC1 30 days, bread and pastry production NC2 18 days, driving NC2 15 days, electronic product assembly NC2 33 days, Hilot wellness massage NC1 15 days, organic agriculture product NC2 29 days, pipe fitting metallic NC2 28 days, shielded metals arc welding NC1 34 days, caregiving NC2 and NC1 6 months, barista NC2 23 days, bartending NC2 55 days, food and beverage services NC2 45 days, HEO forklift NC2 20 days, HEO bulldozer NC2 20 days, HEO wheel loader NC2 20 days, automotive servicing NC2 85 days, automotive servicing NC4 66 days, construction painting NC2 23 days, electrical installation NC2 30 days, electrical installation NC3 20 days, English language 13 days, flux cord arc welding NC1 20 days, flux cord arc welding NC2 34 days, gas metal arc welding NC1 34 days, gas metal arc welding NC2 34 days, gas tungsten arc welding NC2 34 days, industrial sewing machine operation 15 days, mechatronic servicing NC2 40 days, motorcycle or small engine servicing NC2 82 days, PV system installation NC2 36 days, rack servicing dome rack NC2 60 days, slaughtering operation swine NC2 35 nights. Para po sa mga gustong mag-enroll sa TESDA scholarship na ito ay bumisita lamang po kayo sa opisina ng Piso Nasugbu, Batangas upang kayo po ay makapagparehistro sa kanila. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.